What is up? Do you want to learn some English that you can use when you're hanging out with your friends? Let's do this. So I'm Ethan, your real life English fluency coach, and today's scene is from How I Met Your Mother. And we learn how Ted and Barney, two of the main characters, first met. It's pretty dang funny. You're going to learn a ton, and most importantly, you're going to have a lot of fun. So we will first watch the scene with subtitles, and then you'll learn all of the most important vocabulary, pronunciation, and any other information. And what would it be without giving yourself a test at the end by watching without subtitles to see how much you learned. Let's watch the scene.
Tonight's the first time I'm taking my deaf brother out since our mom died.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
No, that's okay. I have to take care of him now. Of course, I have had to put my dreams on hold in order to do it, but I'm happy to. He's my brother and I love him. I'm sorry, it's all still so fresh.
Oh man, I'm really sorry.
Wow, you bought that? What? I just made that up mid-pee. If it worked on you, it's definitely gonna work on the blonde chick at the end of the bar. Unless you're a total idiot. What's your name?
Ted?
You a total idiot, Ted?
Well, I'm still having this conversation, so.
Well played. I like you, Ted. Ted, I'm gonna teach you how to live. Barney, we met at the urinal.
Oh, right, hi.
Lesson 1, lose the goatee. It doesn't go with your suit.
I'm not wearing a suit.
Lesson 2, get a suit. Suits are cool. Exhibit A. Lesson 3, don't even think about getting married till you're 30. And lesson 4, be totally silent for the next 5 minutes. Hey, Audrey. This is my deaf brother, Edward. Edward! This is Audrey!
You know, I actually know some sign language.
He doesn't sign. He's embarrassed by his hands. They're tiny and ladylike. What? You are over your hand issues. It's about time.
Here, call me.
And even though that girl ended up giving me a fake number, I knew that Ted and I would be each other's wingmen forever. Tonight's the first time I'm taking my deaf brother out since our mom died.
Take out. To take someone to dinner, to a bar, to a movie, or some other activity outside of the house. This is often, but not always, used with romantic intention. Example, I'm taking Karen out this Saturday. I'm taking my little brother out to the Yankees game. To be deaf, to be unable to hear, either completely or partly.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
No, that's okay. I have to take care of him now. I have to take care of him now. I have to take care of him now. Of course, I have had to put my dreams on hold in order to do it, but I'm happy to.
Put something on hold. To leave something for a later time rather than now. Example, since having the kids, my career has been put on hold. In order to do something means the same as with the purpose of doing something. Example, he came home early in order to see the children before they went to bed.
He's my brother and I love him. He's my brother and I love him. He's my brother and I love him. I'm sorry, it's all still so fresh.
To be fresh. In this context, if a certain idea or memory of something is still fresh, it means that it is still recent and vivid in the person's mind.
Oh man, I'm really sorry.
Wow, you bought that? What? I just made that up mid-pee.
To buy something. When you buy a notion, a story, or a lie, that means you accept it as the truth. Barney is saying that Ted believed his story about his brother. Example: I don't buy what these politicians say. Mid-P. The word mid, when used before other words like Barney creatively used it here, means the same as in the middle of. Example: I always have to go to the bathroom mid-movie. Practice your English. Can you give me an example with mid down in the comments?
What? I just made that up mid-P. I just made that up mid-P. I just made that up mid-P. If it worked on you, it's definitely gonna work on the blonde chick at the end of the bar.
Blonde chick. A blonde is used to describe a person with pale yellow or golden hair. A chick literally is a baby chicken. In this case, it is a slang expression used to refer to a young woman.
Unless you're a total idiot. What's your name?
Ted?
You a total idiot, Ted?
Well, I'm still having this conversation, so.
Well played.
Well played. An expression used to praise someone when you think they have done something very well. In this case, it works similar to the expression touché, denoting that you think somebody gave you a smart, clever response. Are you enjoying this? Then be sure to hit that like button below, because every time you do, you're telling YouTube that you want to be notified when we make new lessons.
Ted, I'm gonna teach you how to live. I'm gonna teach you how to live. Ted, I'm gonna teach you how to live. Barney, we've met at the urinal.
Urinal. A urinal is a bowl fixed to the wall of a men's public toilet for men to urinate in.
Oh, right, hi.
Lesson 1, lose the goatee. It doesn't go with your suit.
Lose the goatee. A goatee is a style of facial hair incorporating hair on a man's chin and around the mouth, but not on his cheeks. The sentence lose the goatee means stop having a goatee. That is, remove the goatee. Example: you better lose that friend. He's nothing but trouble. To go with something. If one thing goes with another, they match each other well. Suit. A suit is a formal piece of clothing for business or nicer occasions.
I'm not wearing a suit.
Lesson 2, get a suit. Suits are cool. Exhibit A.
Exhibit A is a term used in courtrooms to explain a piece of evidence in a trial. This is funny because Barney is saying this about himself, that he has evidence that suits are cool.
Be totally silent for the next 5 minutes. Hey, Audrey. This is my deaf brother, Edward. Edward! This is Audrey!
You know, I actually know some sign language.
Sign language, a system of communication using visual gestures and signs, as used by deaf people.
He doesn't sign. He's embarrassed by his hands. They're tiny and ladylike.
Ladylike. We use the suffix like to say that something is similar to the word it refers to. So Barney is saying that Ted's hands are similar to those of a lady. Example: he has cat-like reflexes.
What? You are over your hand issues. It's about time. It's about time. It's about time.
It's about time. An expression used often in an annoyed way when something finally happens and you were expecting it to have happened much sooner. Example: it's about time you got here. You're 10 minutes late.
Here, call me.
And even though that girl ended up giving me a fake number, I knew that Ted and I would be each other's wingmen forever.
Fake number. The woman gave Barney the wrong telephone number on purpose. Wingman. Informal way to refer to a man who helps another man meet attractive women, for example, in a bar. So you are about to be tested on this scene and all the new English that you learned. But before we do, I want to invite you to join our community by hitting that subscribe button down below, and remember to hit the bell so that you can get notified when we put out new lessons and you'll be the first to get them. Also, do you get frustrated when you can't understand fast-speaking natives? Do you want to change this? Well, we would love to help you. We created a free 3-part mini course. I think you're really going to enjoy that. You can check it out up here.
Tonight's the first time I'm taking my deaf brother out since our mom died.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
No, that's okay. I have to take care of him now. Of course, I have had to put my dreams on hold in order to do it, but I'm happy to. He's my brother and I love him. I'm sorry, it's all still so fresh.
Oh man, I'm really sorry.
Wow, you bought that? What? I just made that up mid-pee. If it worked on you, it's definitely gonna work on the blonde chick at the end of the bar. Unless you're a total idiot. What's your name?
Ted?
You a total idiot, Ted?
Well, I'm still having this conversation, so.
Well played. I like you, Ted. Ted, I'm gonna teach you how to live. Barney, we met at the urinal.
Oh, right, hi.
Lesson 1, lose the goatee. It doesn't go with your suit.
I'm not wearing a suit.
Lesson 2, get a suit. Suits are cool. Exhibit A. Lesson 3, don't even think about getting married till you're 30. And lesson 4, be totally silent for the next 5 minutes. Hey, Audrey. This is my deaf brother, Edward. Edward! This is Audrey!
You know, I actually know some sign language.
He doesn't sign. He's embarrassed by his hands. They're tiny and ladylike. What? You are over your hand issues. It's about time.
Here, call me.
And even though that girl ended up giving me a fake number, I knew that Ted and I would be each other's wingmen forever.
Barney, it's time you knew. That story actually goes a little bit differently.
Awesome job today showing up, putting your English to use. I hope that you learned a bunch of new vocabulary that you can actually use. I hope that you tested out your pronunciation with some of the mimicry exercises and that you learned a little bit about American culture and humor. Be sure to hit the subscribe so that you can get our newest lessons. Also, check out that free mini course that I told you about, and then you can find a playlist of all of our lessons from How I Met Your Mother and another video I think that you will really dig. Now go out there and kick ass with your English. Aw yeah!